close to my jaw. He ain't gonna talk to no. You don't wanna get involved. Close to my jaw. He ain't gonna talk to He ain't gonna talk to.
What's up, Court Crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Jinean and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time seeing me here on the YT, hi, my name is Courtney Jinean and I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here on my channel. So today's video is going to be another try on haul. Obviously, if you cannot tell by what I have on, it is going to be an Adidas X Ivy Park drip 2. Today we're doing a haul. I got a few things and I want to show you guys. I have to break up this haul into two parts, so make sure you're subscribed just because I am waiting on one more thing in the second color that I got. I don't know why they split up the packages, but I'm just missing one like sports bra, so I'm waiting on that. I didn't want to do the other color and I didn't have like all the stuff. So before I get into the other things, I'll just tell you guys what I have on first. First thing I have is the bucket hat. I picked it up in the yellow tint Mesa color. It's one size fit all and it fits my head. I love it. It's so freaking cute. I love this color. I believe Beyonce called it honey drip, but on my order it says Mesa / yellow tint, and this is, hope I didn't get no makeup on it. Yes, okay, I didn't. So it is like where you can flip it over because it does have the highlighter yellow color, but I like it with the tan more, so I just wear it like this. Super duper cute, and it's literally a bucket hat, so you can no, you would never wear it like that, but it's so freaking cute. The second thing that I have on is the hooded shrug. I picked this up in a size medium. Okay, disclaimer, you guys, I legit picked up all of my stuff in the first drop, which was at like 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I literally picked up the wrong size in I think everything, but it all fit, so I'm gonna keep it, obviously. And even if I could not fit it, I was gonna go on a diet so I could fit it. Like, I was not playing no games, but since it's all sold out everywhere, so but I picked up this hooded shrug. It's in the color Mesa, which is honey drip, and I picked it up in a medium. It's super cute, it's super comfortable. The last drop I didn't get many things. I just got a shirt and biker shorts because that was all that was left, but I definitely do really like this. It's very oversized, so even if I got a size small, I probably could have still fit it, which is what I received everything else in a size small, so you guys will see what that looks like on me. I'm typically a size 8. I was picking my sizes based on their sizing chart, and it said 8 to 10 was a small, so that's what I got. I don't know if that's correct or not, but they do fit, so whatever. I did pick up this hooded shrug in a medium just because I was going for an oversized fit. The way it looks on me, I think that this shrug is already a bit oversized, so you probably could have just went true to size for this, but I love the color. You guys know usually I am not a huge fan of getting colors too close to my skin tone, but I feel like this color is really pretty, and once I saw it on Beyonce with the promo pics, I was like, oh my gosh, I love this color. It's so cute, and it went perfectly with the shoes that I got. Super sleek 72 shoes, and I picked these up in a size 6.5. I am typically a size 8 in women's, you guys. So I just got the 6.5. I think they fit just because I don't know if this is women's size or men's sizes, to be honest. But when you open up the box, it's super cute. It's this really pretty mint color. It comes with a little duster bag which says Adidas X Ivy Park on it. Like I said, I picked this up in a size 6.5. Let me see what it says. US 6.5. Yeah, it doesn't say men, so I think these are in the women's sizes, honestly. And I tried them on yesterday just because I was like so anxious, because I typically wear a size 7.5 and I got a 6.5. You guys, they fit perfectly. Like, if I got even like a 6, I would have been straight out of luck. I would have had to sell these, but when I tried them on yesterday, they fit, and I was just like, oh my gosh, thank the Lord. I don't know, the Lord was just looking out for me, to be honest. because I am usually a 7.5, 8, and I could fit into these 6.5. These are just so cute. I thought that the lining was so cute. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a bit of a lime green type of color. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're so freaking cute. They say Ivy Park, and I'm super excited for this. I just wanted to have like one full outfit, so I love this together. Speaking of the lime green, like, well, they call it yellow, but it's literally a highlighter yellow, I guess. And I got their little belt bag, I believe that's what they call it. Yeah, this is the belt bag. I got it in the high-rise yellow just because I think that well, I don't know. I will try to find the picture of Beyonce, but I thought I was trying to like model after her. I don't know, but it's so cute. Let's open it up. I did really want to get their fanny pack, but you guys, Ivy Park was a bit expensive. I was like, child, Courtney, did not go crazy. And I went crazy, but not that crazy, because I really wanted a fanny pack. But I just decided to get the belt bag, and it kind of, wait, how are you supposed to wear this? I don't really know, but it comes with 2 bags basically, so it's kind of, I feel like it's worth the money. You get one patch in the front, you get a pack down here. Can't really tell because it's so freaking bright. This is perfect, you know, for those early morning runs. And then you, child, do I even be running? I'm lying. But I mean, if I did run, I would be putting this on, because sometimes when, well, I be driving and I see runners, but they don't have any of these like highlighter yellow things on, and then you can't see them. Like, what the heck? So this is perfect. Pick you up some Adidas X Ivy Park and you will be perfect for your run. The drivers will be able to see you when you're wearing this, period. Last thing that I picked up to complete this full outfit is the high-waisted shorts in the color Mesa. These shorts are, ooh, this might, I don't know if this will fit me, but it is pretty stretchy, so hopefully it will. We shall see. I picked these up in a size small, so you'll be able to see what they look like on me. Again, I am a size 8 normally. Thank you so much for watching this video of me trying on my Adidas X Ivy Park Drip 2. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below, because I will be doing a part 2 when my other order comes in. So I am super excited about that. Let me know if you were able to grab anything from this drop, because it was super exclusive. Like, I heard that the second drop, when it dropped at like 4 p.m, it sold out in seconds. So let me know if you got anything. Let me know your thoughts. Apparently there is going to be another drop on November 19th. You didn't hear from me. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, but I heard that it is one coming, so we shall see. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Close to my job, he ain't on a job. You don't wanna get involved.